We want to find the highest common factor of the following, and some of them are algebraic. Now, we did this in term 1 by listing, but there's other ways of doing it. So 6 and 9 are both multiples of 3. So if I look at 6, that's 3 times 2, and 9 is 3 times 3. So I've broken it down into primes, and I can see that the 3 is common, and then we've got a 2 and 3 that are unpaired, and that means that the highest common factor is 3. It's the highest number that goes into both 6 and 9. Now with 6a, that's equal to 3 times 2 times a, and 9b is 3 times 3 times b. So pick out everything that's common, and the only thing that's common is the 3. We've got a 2 and a 3, we've got an a and a b, and those are different. So the highest common factor is 3. Now we've got 18a and 12a squared. Now I can see that 6 goes into both 12 and 18. So I'm going to say that 18a is 6 times 3 times a. 12a squared is 6 times 2 times a times a. Now it's not broken into primes because 6 isn't prime, but 6 is common, and also we have 1a in common. And if we look here, we've got a 3, and here we've got a 2a, so those aren't common. Picking out everything that's common, that means in both, we have 6a as the highest common factor. Now the last one, yep, it's a little bit difficult, but just take it a step at a time. 20 and 25 both divide by 5. So 5 times 4 is 20, and then we've got multiplied by x, multiplied by y, multiplied by y. 25 is 5 times 5. Then we've got x squared, which is x times x, and a single y. What's common? Well, we've got a 5 to start with, and then the 4 and the 5 are different. We've got an x here and an x here, and then we don't have any more x's there, but we do have a y here and a y here. So what's left in the top is 4y, and in the bottom is 5x, so there's nothing common there at all. But we've circled the things that are common, so the highest common factor is 5 times x times y.